Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we use material to make mouse origami. Square piece of paper, any color you want. Start with the color side facing down. Fold the paper in half diagonally to form a triangle. Align the edges carefully. Unfold the triangle to reveal a square. Fold the paper in half again, but in this time fold the horizontally to form a rectangle. Unfold the paper to turn to the square shape before the top edge down to meet the center crease. Fold the top right corner down diagonally, align it with the bottom edge. Repeat the previous step for the top left corner. Now draw a shape of his face, eyes, and make this look like this. Mouse origami can be delicate art, so take your time and be patient. Enjoy your cute origami mouse. Look, it looks amazing. It's a mouse origami with a paper. Thank you for watching my video and please subscribe my channel.